Well, we're at the end of a race, and I lost a part. I lost my in the middle of the race. And that wasn't fun, so now we're looking for it. I have a spare at home, it doesn't matter. Oh, what a day. What a day. Just practicing right now. I qualify first. That does not happen a lot. Well, this year I've been getting lucky. I think we're gonna line up really soon. Let's see what today does. Ah. Okay, stuck it. I don't know how 29 was doing in practice, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go. But somebody's very behind me. I gotta watch that corner. I'm gonna spin, gaining a little ground. That's too close. I gotta hit the gas a little earlier. How am I gonna get around this? I can't do this pass. What am I gonna do? Halfway. Well, he knows I'm here. Oh man, sorry I'm not talking. This is really delicate. So, I lost my gas cap. I swear I put it on in the beginning of the race, and I saw it, and I'm not kidding. I'm spilling fuel all over. And I'm in second, and I basically just have my hand on the fuel thing, and I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. In second, finish this. 5 more laps. Somebody's behind me. My arm hurts. It smells so bad. 2. I lost my gas cap.
You lost your gas cap?
I did like 10 laps without it.
Holy shit.
I was holding it down with one arm.
Yeah. Damn.